Hi everyone, so basically what I've got here is a 10 metre, it's called a BNC cable, and it's a CCTV and it's a DVR camera recorder video cable. So it will give you basically the extra 10 metres of wire if you need so. Connections are very nice. I mean, it's not a very complicated product. It's a functional product. So it comes like this. I left it wrapped up because I've got to just sort out what I'm going to use it for. But I think, you know, if you've got a camera and you can't locate it exactly where you want and you've got to extend it, these sort of cables are ideal. So nicely made cable, good connections. And as far as I'm concerned, it works fine. For just under £10, I think it's good value. And there is deals always on these. So I'll put the link on, and like I say, if you've got a security camera set up that you need to extend, and obviously you've got the connections that would take these and take these, then this is the cable to go for. Alright, thanks for watching my video.